This message likely came up on your For You page or you clicked on this message, but I know you're here for a reason. But first of all, I want to show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this gold earrings, a lot of gold bracelets, and this cute top. And I'm also wearing a gold waist chain. I don't know if I can show you that or something like this. Excuse the mess around me, but it's cute. It's cute. And I'm also wearing chunky boots, but you can't see it. I don't think I can fold my legs that much. I can. It's like chunky boots. Can you see it? Oh, I don't think you could hear me, and I was just speaking. But this chunky boots. The reason why I showed you my outfit of the day, all of that, because I know that only the right people are going to stay. So I'm just going to get comfortable. I'm also wearing black tights. Can't show you that, but I'm wearing. Can you see this? I'm wearing black tights. Okay. So this message is going to be something. So get comfortable. There is definitely like a lot of mess around you. Wait, this. There is definitely like a lot of mess around you. Like you need to organize or you need to clean up something, just like put things away. And in front of me, I'm seeing a beautiful white cloud, but the cloud is alone. And all the clouds that are with the cloud are too small. This cloud is too big. So right now, you're feeling like a big fish in a small pond, and you feel like you have a lot of ideas and you want to do a lot of things, but people around you don't get you. They don't understand what you're trying to achieve. They don't understand your life purpose because not everyone has the same life purpose, okay? And that's why sometimes you get agitated that why is no one understanding me? But it's just that they don't have the same life purpose. And maybe they are meant to spend their whole life in that small pond. And you are meant to migrate to a bigger pond and to a bigger pond and a bigger river and then the ocean. Maybe you're meant to swim in the ocean and somehow you just were born in a pond. And that's why sometimes you feel like, okay, what am I doing? Okay, why is everyone around me has this such small dreams and why do I get to have the biggest dreams? And relatability is a big thing because everyone wants to be relatable these days, especially when it comes to social media. Honestly, this sun is bothering me, but now this wall is bothering me. Only the right people are going to stay. I know that. I know that. But what I'm seeing in front of me is there's a bigger cloud, and I'm also seeing another bigger cloud, a lot of bigger clouds, but they are a bit away. There is a gap in between. And I feel like you're feeling that gap. And the gap is not like, oh, I need to move to another country, oh, I need to attract more people, have a different friend group, I need to change myself in some way. S- it's not like that, because I'm receiving some messages from your angels, and what they're showing is this gap is not outside of you, this gap is inside of you. And guess what? The distance is not that much, honestly. This distance is not that much. And I can see that this cloud traveled a lot. So you traveled a lot, literally, or you traveled a lot in your mind in case of your life. Like you came to a different place. Like 6 months ago, you were in a completely different place mentally. And right now, you're in a completely different place. Sorry, I'm getting so hot for some reason. Pretty sure the AC is on. Then why am I feeling so hot? Okay. Pretty sure the AC is on then. Why am I feeling so hot? Hopefully, you're not bothered by my clothing. If you're bothered, well, you're not the right person to be watching this video. Um, should I like give the rest of my message like this? Because I feel very up close and personal with you. I feel like you and I, we have the same life purpose. You and I, we have the same dreams, we have the same mindset. And that's why I'm feeling so like as if I'm talking to a friend. That's what I'm feeling right now. Okay, I'll let the messages come through. Take a deep breath, ground yourself, unclench your jaw. I'm seeing a lot of colors for you, like a lot of shades of colors. I'm seeing deep red, then burning orange. I'm seeing pink. I'm seeing maroon. And these are the shades of the emotions that you're going through right now. And you're going through a lot of emotions. You're going through a lot of changes in yourself. If you could talk to yourself 6 months ago, you would not recognize that person because right now you are so different. You're going through a lot of transformations and a lot of changes. That's why sometimes you feel like, I don't even know who I am. You know, you feel that way. And it's actually a good thing. That means you're rapidly changing. And you are a vessel of change, is what I'm hearing for you. You're meant to keep on changing. So anyone who refuses to change with you has to go away. Has to go away. Get comfortable with this. Get comfortable with temporary connections. Get comfortable with knowing someone and then leaving them 6 months later. Get comfortable with that. And see, I'm not saying that you will always have temporary connections because you're meant to have a very few permanent connections, like very few friends in your inner circle that will be there until you're 80. And very few people in your inner circle, like your partner, like your romantic partner, your parents, one of your siblings or something. I'm getting that energy because they are supposed to be in your life permanently. They will be there cheering you on, standing in the corner, taking your pictures, cheering for you, supporting you. They will always be there, but not everyone is meant to stay in your life. And this is the number one reason that makes you sad, is like you connect with a person and then you have to leave that person, or that person just starts acting weirdly around you. And then you're confused. It's like, is that something I did? Like, did I do something wrong? No, you did nothing wrong. It's just that you change very quickly, but in a good way. You grow very quickly. I'm seeing like a tree trying to be friends with a small plant. But there is always going to be a gap. Like the tree is going to be so tall and big, and the plant is small. If the plant is refusing to grow, it's the plant's fault. It's not your fault for being so big and tall and majestic, right? I feel like a lot of you, yeah, definitely. You watched until this 7:47 on the timer. You definitely are extremely beautiful. You're someone who glows, okay? I'm not going to hear it. I'm not trying to like um gas you up or motivate you or appreciate you just like that. It's true. Whatever I'm saying is what your angels are saying to me. And your angels never lie. Your angels never lie, trust me. So I know I have like a smoky eye, but you can't see because I can't open my eyes completely because there's a sun on my face. Hopefully that's okay. But it's like when I say you glow, you glow. And if there is a person who is bothered by your glow, then that person doesn't deserve to be in your life in the first place. And there are people who love that you glow. They love glowing with you. They love looking at you glowing even more. So you need to redirect your focus, redirect your energy towards them. That is going to fill this gap, literally. And honestly, the gap is not that big, so you don't have to do a lot. Honestly, you're doing so well. You are prioritizing yourself, putting yourself first, you're setting strong boundaries. You have definitely let go of at least one person that was toxic to you in the past, and you're like, I'm not going to hear this. I don't want this person in my life. Because whenever this person leaves or I'm done talking to this person, I feel so drained. And so you're spiritual, so you understand this, that spiritual people understand this. I feel like you're meant to work with people. You're meant to guide people. You're meant to be a beacon of light in front of people so they can treat you as their role model. They can look at your life and make their own life even better. You're meant to shine in the spotlight. Take it if it resonates, but some of you are meant to be famous. Like this spotlight is literally shining on me, and that's what I feel like. Sorry, my boots are stuck. But it's like you are meant to be either an influencer or a guide, spiritual medium, something who is someone who is supposed to be in the limelight, someone who is supposed to glow in front of everyone. It's like and everyone is going to look at you and think that, wow, like this person is glowing, this person inspires me so much. I'm telling you, that's why I was saying 10. I saw 10, 10 on the timer as well. I feel like you are 10 on 10. You are. I'm not saying that, your angels are saying that, okay? So honestly, I get so incredibly, like, I'm so incredibly extremely grateful for you guys, like leaving such beautiful comments and praising me and all that. But honestly, you should be praising your angels, because it's not me saying this stuff, it's your angels saying this stuff. I'm just a messenger. Literally, I'm just a messenger. I'm just here to tell you something that you need to know. And that's why, if you feel like watching my videos constantly every day, that means every day I'm delivering a message for you. If you watch my videos sometimes, that means sometimes I have a message for you. So don't 11 on the timer. Don't overthink it. If you feel like watching a message, watch it, whether it's mine or whether it is someone else's, because your angels are guiding you toward 11 on the timer. Mark my words, you might want to come back to this video, but you're going to attract a lot of blessings in your life. You're going to attract at least one person that is going to be so supportive, so incredibly like green flag, so supportive of your glow, so supportive. Like this person will like nudge you to be in the spotlight. This person is someone who likes to stay behind you, something like you take the lead, like you do everything, you take all the praise. I don't want it. I just want you to glow, like, a supporter, not just a provider or a protector, but also a supporter. Obviously a provider and a protector, because you have angel energy, you have something like that in your energy. And that's why I'm saying this, you have some healing energy. Either you are in a medical field, or you have that healing touch, or someone has told you in your life, a lot of people have told you in your life, like, you make me feel so comfortable, you have this calm energy, something. So, and you know what your angels are saying to me right now, that every healer deserves a protector. Every healer gets a protector. And because you are a healer, you are meant to be with a protector. You already have a lot of souls in your life that always protect you, already have that. But I feel like there is someone that is going to come in your life who is going to protect you even more, protect you on a one-on-one basis, like be there for you physically all the time around you, and protect you from everything. uh, and also, like, I'm getting very supportive energy, like someone who supports you so much and is there to serve you. I'm also getting worshiper energy. It's like, it's kind of like protector plus worshiper. It's like I'm going to protect you and I'm also going to worship you because you are my goddess or you're my god, something like that. And oh my god, this came out in the end. And I know not everyone is going to watch this until the end. So I know, see, some messages are only going to find some people. And it is true. It is true, okay? Okay, 13:33 on the timer. I don't know. 333 is really significant. You might be saying 333 or 1111. Okay. Your angels are sending you a lot of good energy. I am sending you a giant, giant virtual hug and a forehead kiss, because you deserve it. Because you deserve it. And I am so proud of you. I don't know, for some reason, I really feel called to say that. Like, I'm so proud of you, and everything that you have been doing until now is is not going to waste. Everything is happening for a reason. Everything is connected. Maybe you can't see the whole picture yet, but you will see the whole picture, and then everything would start making sense. Then you would be like, okay, fine, this is why I met this person, this is why I left this is why I traveled here, this is why I did this. Everything is going to start making sense. Okay, you're going to find a whole picture, is what I'm getting here. I'm seeing like you have those like puzzle pieces, and you just, when you form the whole puzzle piece, then you realize that, okay, this is the full picture, this is what it meant. Okay. Hopefully you can see me, because if you couldn't see me the whole time, that would be a bummer. And I'm feeling the energy of like being so safe. I feel so safe right now. And that's your energy. Your angels are sending me these waves of safety, these waves of stability. You're going to find stability, something stable in your life. Could be a Taurus person. I don't know. I'm just getting that. Okay. It's like someone who has that like safe, stable energy. Also, I'm getting the number two, like, number two in numerology. Someone loyal, because my mom does numerology. So I know she keeps telling that someone who has number two is very loyal. Someone who has number two in their birth date or something in their chart. Like, whoever this person is or these people are, you're attracting a lot of loyalty and a lot of stability, a lot of like safety. I feel so safe being seen. I don't feel like, oh, someone is going to judge me. No, I feel so safe being seen. So definitely this is giving me the energy of a deep connection. This could be a deep connection with a community. Like, you find a lot of people who are the same way as you are, has the same life purpose as you have, and then you can just share whatever you want with them, and you know that this people would never judge you. This is either like, because this is a collective reading, right? So not everyone is going to find a person, but I know you're going to find someone or a lot of people. Either it's a community or either it's a partner. Okay, but it's someone who gives you a sense of stability, a sense of safety, a sense of protection, loyalty. Could be a friend as well, like, depending on your current energy right now. It's just current energy right now. Current right now is the same thing. 222. Okay, twos could be really significant. I'm also getting a extreme alignment energy. So whatever you're doing, you're really aligned. You know what aligned means? It means you're at the right place at the right time. Literally. This AC is like blowing off here, and I can sense some cool energy, but I'm also feeling really hot. But I don't feel uncomfortable at all. It's just like, it's very warm energy. It's kind of like I'm sitting near a fireplace on a cold night. So whatever these people's energy is, it's kind of like that. Like, sitting near a bonfire, feeling warm and toasty on a cold night, and feeling like, oh, like, I'm so taken care of. Okay, that's it. That's it. I will see you in my next message very, very soon. If you resonated with anything that I said in this message, then please do let me know by liking or subscribing to this channel. Okay, or by liking to this video or commenting down below if you feel called to. I feel like this message was scary accurate. I'm getting that energy. I love you so much. I'll see you soon.